Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Catalyst Classes. I am back with yet another video. This video is a brief description about the recent openings from a state government university. It is located in Uttar Pradesh and there are vacancies ranging from social sciences to science, engineering, medical, commerce, etc. So without any further ado, let's get started. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with everybody who is seeking out job. So for that, let's move to the front page of the university, that is Aligarh Muslim University. I'll provide the link in the description. So here the option chosen to be is jobs at AMU. There will be so many options. You'll have to get directly to general vacancies, and there again there is this option of vacancies. There are 4 of these annexures. You have to download the second one, which is just released yesterday. So yeah, according to this, it is a 18-page big huge document which has every information in it. I'll provide the link. Share it with people who are seeking job in the university. So let's start with it. There's this special thing that applications are invited for Indian nationals, including overseas citizens of India, card holders under Section A of the Citizenship Act 1955, for recruitment to the following teaching post, including post earmarked for persons with disability, that is PWD candidates. And the last date for applying is 1st of September. The level pay, that is the pay range, which is the most important thing everybody looks upon before applying. For professor or director, it is on the pay range of 1,44,200 to 2,18,200. For principal positions, the pay range is same, that is 144,200 to 2,18,200. For associate professors, it is 1,31,400 to 2,17,100. And for assistant professor, it ranges from 57,700 to 1,80,000 based on the experience. So the faculties of arts, social science, theology, women's college, AMU centers, etc. There is one vacancy for director in Urdu Academy, one vacancy for professor in English Academy in the Department of English, one vacancy for professor in Economics Department, one vacancy for professor in Department of Economics, one vacancy for professor in Department of History, one vacancy for professor in Medieval Indian History, one professor for Department of Islamic Studies, one professor for Department of Psychology, one vacancy for professors of Experimental Psychology, and one vacancy for professor of Urdu. The eligibility, because it is a very brief document, so I'll specify on both the A and B so that you need to know all the information before applying. An eminent scholar having a PhD degree in the concerned or relevant discipline and published work of high quality, actively engaged in research with evidence of published work with minimum 10 research publications in the peer-reviewed of UGC listed journals, and a total research score of 120 as per the criteria given in Appendix 2. Second is a minimum of 10 years of experience, teaching experience in university, college, or as assistant professor or associate professor or professor, and or our research experience or equivalent level at the university or national level institutions, with evidence of having successfully guided doctoral candidate. And the second eligibility is an outstanding professional having a PhD degree in the relevant applied discipline from any academic institution not included in list A industry, who has made significant contribution to the knowledge in the concerned discipline. Second, we move to associate professor. There are one vacancy each in departments of economics, English, history, Islamic studies, psychology, Sanskrit, and history, and 3 vacancies for Urdu and 2 vacancies for Islamic studies. followed by other three categories. The eligibility is again a good academic record with a PhD degree in the concerned relevant discipline, master's degree with at least 55%, and minimum 8 years of experience of teaching in research academic position equivalent to that of assistant professor in a university. Total research score should be 75 as per the criteria. Now moving on to assistant professor vacancies, which are around there are different in different departments, starting with Department of English. There are 2 vacancies, and followed all vacancies are one for Department of English, Department of History in Science and Tech, Department of Archaeology, Department of Linguistic, Department of Library and Information Science, Department of Philosophy in Contemporary Western Philosophy, Department of Psychology, Department of Strategic and Security Studies, Department of Pol Science in Women's College, Department of Sunni Theology in Women's College, and Department of Economics. This is reserved for VH category. The eligibility is a master's degree with 55% because it is assistant professor, equivalent with grade point scale wherever the grading system is followed in a concerned relevant subject from an Indian university, and a PhD degree in accordance with the UGC regulations 2009 and 16. The candidates registered for the PhD program prior to 11 July 2009 shall be governed with the provision of the then existing ordinance or bylaws. So the following conditions are applicable, like PhD degree of the candidate has been awarded in regular mode, it has been evaluated by at least 2 external examiners, an open PhD viva voce of the candidate has been conducted, and the candidate has published 2 research papers from his or her PhD work, out of which at least 1 is referred general. The candidate has presented at least 2 papers based on his or her PhD work in conference or seminar sponsored or funded, supported by UGC, CSIR or any similar agency. Or the second eligibility criteria is the PhD degree has been obtained from a foreign university with a ranking among top 500 in the university ranking by Cockrell Simons, that is QS, or by Times Higher Education, that is THE, or the academic ranking of World University, that is ARW, and Shanghai Jiao University, Shanghai. Then there are these different assistant professors in pedagogy, for social sciences, for Department of Education. Eligibility are different for all other categories. Moving on, there are a lot of vacancies for assistant professor in maths in Department of Murshidabad or Mallapuram. Faculties of Agricultural Science, Commerce, Law, Life Science, Science, AMU Center. Yeah, as you can see, there are so many vacancies right now in all the courses. Faculty of Engineering and Technology, wherein principal is required, professors are required, associate professors, assistant professor in each branch of engineering, that is chemical, electrical, mechanical, electrical engineering section, civil engineering, electronics department of electronic engineering, reserved for E categories. Now there is this department, Faculty of Medicine, where professors are required in Department of Anesthesiology, professor required in Department of Community Medicine, professors required in Department of Medicine, Department of Microbiology, Department of Orthopedic Surgery, Department of Pharmacology, Department of Surgery. 2 professors are required, Department of Ophthalmology or Department of Ophthalmology, Ocular Pathology, professor in endocrinology. Then associate professors in the following departments. Teaching experiences is also required, assistant professor. Faculty of Unani Medicine, Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed Dental College. As you can see, this is a very huge opening for a lot of courses. I hope you guys found it useful. There is this detailed thing given about additional rules for post earmarked under PW category. There are these 5 categories, applicable categories of disabilities, which are blindness and low vision, that is VH, which we have already noticed in the above one. Deaf and hard of hearing, that is HH. Locomotor disability including cerebral palsy, leprosy cured, dwarfism, acid attack victims, and muscular dystrophy. Autism, intellectual disability, specific learning disability, and mental illness. Multiple disabilities from amongst person under clauses A to D, including deaf blindness. PWD certificates are to be needed on the performer. So yes, with this we come to an end of our video. Please share this video with whosoever you find suitable for. Share it among your friends, family, relatives. So see you in another video. Thank you so much for tuning in.